When Tokyo is covered in snow, the next day, Mount Fuji awakens in a dream of white. The air is clearer, the mountain shines brighter, and every view feels like a painting. Today, I'll take you on a journey to see this magical side of Japan. From the quiet beauty of Oshino Hakkai to the iconic view at Chureito Pagoda. Let's begin our trip together. My first stop was Chureito Pagoda. From Tokyo, take the JR Cho line from Shinjuku to Otsuki, then the Fujikyu Railway's Fujikyuko line to Shimo-Yoshida Station. From there, it's about a 10 to 15 minute walk to the entrance of Arakurayama Sengen Park. Even on the way to the entrance gate, you'll discover many photo spots with Mount Fuji in the background. Don't rush. The journey itself is already filled with breathtaking views. From here, there are 398 steps leading to the top. In winter, the stairs may be covered in fresh snow, so walk carefully. And remember to look back. Mount Fuji will appear right behind you. At the top, you'll find the iconic view. The red pagoda framed perfectly with Mount Fuji. This combination is one of the most famous images of Japan. Each season offers a different charm. Cherry blossoms in spring, vibrant foliage in autumn, and snow-capped Fuji in winter. Take your time to wander through Arakurayama Sengen Park and visit Arakura Sengen Shrine nearby. For the best photos, come in the early morning or during golden hour. But be prepared, it's also the busiest time of the day, with many visitors gathering for the same stunning shot. Next, I went to Oshino Hakkai, a charming village at the foot of Mount Fuji. The name translates to 8 Seas of Oshino, referring to its 8 crystal-clear ponds. These springs are fed by underground streams from Mount Fuji's snowmelt, and the water is so pure that it has been designated a National Natural Monument and is part of the Mount Fuji UNESCO World Heritage Site. Oshino Hakkai is touristy, but it's worth every visit. In the morning, you'll likely encounter large tour groups, since many daily bus tours arrive from Tokyo. For a quieter experience, come in the afternoon when the crowds are gone. The village feels peaceful and magical. What I love here are the ponds, the crisp air, the thatched roof houses, wooden bridges, and water wheels, all with Mount Fuji in the background. Every corner is picture perfect. Watch the koi fish swimming gracefully in the crystal water. It feels so calm. Look closely. Can you see the bottom of the pond? Thank you for joining me on this snowy Fuji day. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and stay inspired wherever you wander. To Oshino Hakkai, I recommend going by highway bus, especially for convenience. If you want more flexibility, you can go by train, but remember, there is no direct train to Oshino Hakkai. You'll need to take at least one local bus from Fujisan Station to reach the village. If you're traveling between Chureito Pagoda and Oshino Hakkai, there are 2 main options. Take 2 local buses with a transfer at Fujisan Station, about 680 yen. Or take 1 train from Shimo-Yoshida to Fujisan Station and 1 bus from Fujisan Station to Oshino Hakkai bus stop, about 1,080 yen. don't forget Fujimichi, Honcho Street, about an 8-minute walk from Shimo-Yoshida Station. From the middle of the street, you'll see Fuji framed perfectly behind the traffic lights and banners of the local shops. And near Fujisan Station, there's Kana Street. Here, you'll find a breathtaking scene of Mount Fuji rising right behind a traditional torii gate, perfect for photos that blend modern life with Japanese tradition. But remember, not every day is a Fuji day. Sometimes the mountain hides behind the clouds. Before you go, check the Yahoo Weather app or a reliable forecast to make sure the sky will be clear. In my experience, winter usually offers the clearest views compared to other seasons. If you have more time, continue to Lake Kawakuchiko. This lake is one of the best places to see Mount Fuji, especially during cherry blossom season, when the pink flowers bloom all around the water's edge. The reflection of Fuji in the lake makes the view unforgettable. For a higher perspective, take the Mount Fuji Panoramic Ropeway, also called the Kachi Ropeway. The cable car ride gives you a breathtaking view as Mount Fuji swings into sight. And from the top, you'll enjoy sweeping panoramas of both the mountain and Lake Kawakuchiko. Finally, visit Yume Bridge. Standing here feels like walking on top of Mount Fuji while still on the ground. It's a unique spot for photos and a perfect way to wrap up your trip. Taking a photo with Japan's iconic Mount Fuji is a must for many travelers. There are plenty of activities where you can enjoy stunning Fuji views. From the thrilling rides at Fuji-Q Highland theme park, soaking in a relaxing bath at Onsen. You can also plan a day trip from Tokyo to Hakone. And if you visit in winter, you might even catch a magical fireworks event with Mount Fuji as the backdrop. While winter in Japan may offer fewer activities compared to other seasons, it's the best time to enjoy breathtaking views of Mount Fuji under a clear blue sky.